All right, let's jump right in. If you manage a facility, you already know the daily drill. Today, we're looking at FAISpace, the Facility Asset Identification Space. Basically, it's a powerful partnership that fuses your physical space with your digital data to deliver a true point-in-time asset-accurate audit of your facility. The whole brand promise here: capture it once, identify it forever.
Because let's be real for a second, the biggest headache for operations leaders right now is untrustworthy asset data. You've got assets that were installed but never actually located on a plan, specs scattered across stale spreadsheets, and maintenance jobs that start with a literal blind search. As the saying goes, 80% of assets are exactly the same. It's that 20% that are different, and knowing exactly where they are that catches teams out every single time.
So how do we actually fix this? Well, FAISpace brings together two proven products to solve the equation. First, iGuide brings the space. We're talking survey-grade capture with floor plans accurate to 0.5%. They can scan a space in under 15 minutes and hand you deliverables in images, CAD, Revit, LiDAR point clouds, and 3D walkthroughs. Then HivePix brings the data. This gives you connected, traceable OEM product data that stays completely consistent across every single system it touches. And you can share it with your team via a simple HivePix link. The space and the data finally fused into one.
The methodology here is a really clear 4-stage journey. Stage 1 is capture. This is your point-in-time visual audit that becomes your baseline. Know your space. Stage 2 is tag. Every single asset gets a unique FAISpace ID and a precise pin in the 3D model and floor plan. Know your assets. Now pay close attention to stage 3, specify. This is absolutely crucial. Every single tag is linked to verified OEM specifications from the FAISpace repository in HivePix. You select a tag and you see the absolute OEM truth: make, model, technical specs, safety and compliance data, manuals, warranties, and bill of materials. Trust every spec. Finally, stage 4 is maintain. This makes it a living record with substitution guidance, maintenance alerts, and system integrations. Keep it alive.
And the best part is that you can scale this entirely at your own pace. You can start off with just capture and tag for a fast one-off fee to build that baseline. Then you can add specify for a fixed fee when you're ready to lock in the data. Down the line, when operations call for it, you just subscribe to maintain, which seamlessly integrates that living record right into your CMMS or ERP systems. So what's the actual ROI here for your team? Well, imagine being able to find any asset in seconds. Your technicians show up with the exact right kit on the very first visit, completely eliminating those frustrating blind searches. You finally get a clean, structured asset register you can actually defend. And crucially, you always own your data. Whether it's hosted for you or held securely on your own network, it is always yours.
Think about it. If a critical failure happened right now, could your team locate the exact asset and its specs instantly? Yeah, it's time to stop guessing. FAISpace is the phase of your facility's asset. To get started, map your facility's asset journey right now at faispace.com.au.